please, would you please wave your hands at the camera? Shy Jenma. Wave. Don't be so shy. Come in. Come on. Oh, Jenma. Yes. No. Not help. She needs help to open up the cards, probably. That's what she means. So, yeah, it's Jenma's debut. Congratulations. Clap, clap. Jenma, clap. Yay. Jenma, can we get a heart pose? No, with two hands. With two hands. Two hands. Yeah. No, I mean, come on. Communication. Yeah, and then the other. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Thank you. Oh, guys, do you have some questions for Jenma? And then she can answer with yes or no. Jenma, are you single? Sorry, that's the most asked question. Of course she's single. Like, how can she even, like, you know, she's working. She's not even sleeping. She's working 24/7. There's literally no way that she could, you know... I'm sorry, Jenma, but let's be realistic here.
Emotional damage?
But it's okay. You have me. Jenma? Jenma? I think maybe she's crying. Oof. Do you have any other question?